Alright, a little update on the old Dodge here. So we've made some, I think, some pretty cool modifications to it. Started the business end of this. Alright, so we've put new springs front and back. And it was hard to tell what the actual arch was on these, so we bought just factory. So I had to put a little bit more lift on the back of this. Weld up a couple blocks and then get those in there. So now that we actually have spring rate in them, it rides so much better. Fronts, we took all the spacers out and we ended up pretty close to where we were with the old ride height, except for now we're not up against the frame on the front shackle. I still have to get new shackle bushings for the rear, but it does ride a lot better. So it was kind of hard to spec out the rear because nothing on this truck's been, as I said it was. So we took out the rears. The fronts were almost totally collapsed. You can see there was almost no arch left. But as part of it, we got a new set of jack stands because I got tired of the other one just teetering up there. So these new 12-ton ones from Harbor Freight, well, they're quite nice. Even managed to find a new old belt sander, which is kind of nice. This is the old cast one. Took off the switch and it's just a foot switch. So when I need it, I just hit the switch. So let me show you what I did inside the truck. And we've even upgraded the LED lights. You can actually see them now. Before, you could barely even see them when they're the regular old incandescent bulbs that were in here. The defroster vents, managed to find those because those were all broken. Then we redid all the heater hoses underneath this thing, and I think that came out pretty good as well. And while I still have more cleanup to do, there's probably as much wire taken out as left in it. And yes, that's kind of still a rat nest. And next we got to pull the carpet up. These little humps that are right here, that's the body mount. Those always rust out. We have to, we got to patch the floor on that and get that going. And then the panels that were on the bottom of the door, got those all wrapped. Now slowly going through the engine bay, getting it cleaned up. Got all new electronics in it, which, well, there really isn't any. There's a regulator there and a ballast resistor. Over here we changed out. Now we did stock up the truck for a few extras. For the most part, it was running okay. Got some hoses, a new thermostat in it. All that works really nice. Should be a good year of fabrication as well. Looking forward to doing some more stuff with our partners at Rockmount. Got some ideas for some hard facing, and if you're running in the rocks or the sand, you might like that as well. So if there's anything you want to see, let me know, and I appreciate the comments. Let me know what you think of the old truck. Just a little quick updates, all this is. Alright, so it's December of 23, it's almost Christmas. So from Duke and I, wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And looking forward to more content in 24. See you on our next adventure.